Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through a 2004 Oldsmobile Alero starter replacement. Here are the tools you will need: 10, 13, 15 millimeter sockets, 6 to 9 inch extension, or a flathead screwdriver depending on the way that you want to tackle this job. Okay, first things first, we're going to remove our negative battery wire. You're going to want to do this with any job where there's a chance of electrocution. Just push it on over to the side. Second thing is we're going to get to that dust cover at the bottom. There's one screw on the passenger side and one screw on the driver's side. There's going to be two 15 millimeter bolts that you need to remove in order to get out that starter. One's right here at the bottom. There's a 10 millimeter grounding wire, and there's a 13 millimeter positive battery cable. Here's where that screwdriver is going to come in handy. If you decide to get to that top bolt from the top, you're going to remove your air intake hose. Don't forget to unplug that MAF sensor just so you can get that hose all the way out of the way. And we got to that top bolt nice and easy, and our starter just dropped right out. Now we are ready for our reinstall. Again, it's just 15 millimeter bolts here at the bottom, nice and easy to get to. Gonna replace that positive battery wire and the grounding wire. Again, that positive battery wire has a 13 millimeter nut on it, and the grounding has a 10 millimeter. Here's where you would use that extension if you want to tackle that top bolt from the bottom of the car. It's a little bit easier if you have someone there to hold it, just to make sure that you stay on the bolt. But even if there's just you, it's still pretty easy to get to it from the bottom. Now we're just replacing our dust cover. Again, there's just two screws, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. We replaced our MAF sensor and our air intake hose and our negative battery cable.
Moment of truth. Oh, this little key is kind of... Boom, baby.